Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's episode, what we'll be talking about is using DOM cross-site scripting in innerHTML sync using source location.search. So previously, we have already understand what is location.search. Now this innerHTML basically allows you to write a particular text or string on the HTML page itself. So basically this lab contains a DOM-based cross-site scripting vulnerability in the search block functionality. So it uses the innerHTML assignment. So it changes the HTML content of a div element using data from location.search. So same thing, what you need to do is to call the alert function. So without further ado, let's get into it. So let's click on access the lab first. So let's do some random characters. So click on search. So this is the result, 0 search result. So let's do the inspect. And let's search for these random characters. So over at the bottom, you see there's a script. So let's click on it. So let's try to understand what exactly this function is doing. So there's this function called do search query. So basically you're taking this parameter query, and what happens is that this will actually get the element by ID, which is what you see over here, the search message, and it will write inner HTML equals to the query. So it will write this. Okay, so this is what you will see over here. And the query variable, same thing, it will actually take the URL over here, this whole thing. So if the query is valid, then it will run this function. Okay, so what we want to do now is that, the good thing about this PortSwigger is that it will actually give you a tutorial on what you can do, what kind of payload you can run. So over here, you can see that the inner HTML sync doesn't accept script elements, so we cannot use our usual script alert bracket alert pop-up for this case. So you also cannot use the SVG on load events. So you need to use other elements like image tag or iframe. So what it suggests is that you can also use other event handlers like onload on error used in conjunction with these elements. So for example, this is the one that we are trying to run. So ultimately, this is the whole thing that we want. So what we want is just this portion. So just highlight this, copy, and let's put it here. So let's do a search. And you can see there's a pop-up. And we have successfully solved the lab. So what we can do now is also take a look over here. So basically you can see here, what it does is that it will write exactly what was what we have put in the input field over here. So this is what is loading now, this image tag. So it's an image tag that is loading this error with the alert pop-up. Okay, so I hope this video is useful to you. And if you like this video, I appreciate you can give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in the next video.